guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd hop on here and show you guys some things. Well, let me move that. Some things I have purchased recently. I have a bad habit of when I'm not feeling well, if I am just laying around, I tend to get on and I'm like, ooh, what's on here? What's on here? And I'm like, oh, that looks fun. That looks fun. That looks fun. So yeah, it's a bad habit. So let's just get that out of the way. Stop judging me. Anyway, there were some really good sales. So I just wanted to show you some things that I have purchased that were on sale and hopefully are still on sale by the time I upload this video. I'm super excited. I did purchase, I can't tell you off the top of my head like what these are and like the price because I don't recall, but I know they were on sale and I think they're discontinuing them. So I got the Prism set from Beauty Bay of their brushes. If you've watched me for a while, you will know that I love Beauty Bay brushes, especially their eye brushes. I don't necessarily know that I like these brushes, maybe for like my face and smoothing everything out, yeah, but all in all, like this brush, this looks like it's gonna be fun, this brush. So I was super excited, so I got these on sale. They actually came in a container, but it smelled like spray paint when I first opened it. So anyway, it's aired out, so it's really nice. They go in there and then you put that on top and then you clip it, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to bend all the bristles because I don't have the protectors on them right now. So I did purchase that. And then also while I was on there, oh gosh, I'm such a freak for some brushes. They actually had this set. What is this? 3, 6, 9, 10, 12. So they had this 12-piece eye brush set. So I purchased that as well. Again, Beauty Bay's in the UK, so I figure when I do a purchase on there, I'm like, I might as well make this worth it, you know. So I purchased quite a few things. I purchased this. I also had to purchase some of their, I think it's colloidal oatmeal or colloidal oat and lipid moisturizer and balm, and then some hair stuff that they have that works really well for my family. So they had a special on those, like buy 2 or 3. It was like a discounted price, so I purchased a bunch of that stuff. So then I got the brushes, and then I actually got the Rich palette. I wasn't going to get this palette, but then I was like, you know what, why not? I'm ordering it. I have all the other large ones. I was like, maybe it's prettier in person, and I think it is. I just don't think whatever's online just does justice for it. There's not a lot of glitters, but there's a lot of metallic-y, shimmery shades in here, and I think that's part of the issue is because everything has really blown up with like multi-chromes, duochromes, like that's everything anymore. So I was kind of like, I'm like, is that really what's doing it for me? So I did purchase this. I'll be doing a video soon, hopefully using it. So I am excited about that. So up next, I did not purchase this. I have a wonderful subscriber that actually sent this to me. And Anna, thank you very much. This like made my day when I got it. She sent me the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Surge Palette. I think she had an extra one. For whatever reason, something with her order, and she was like, hey, would you like this? And I was like, oh my gosh. So she sent this to me. How beautiful is that? This is so pretty. And when I opened this, I was like, oh my gosh, there's so many Halloween looks that you could do with this palette, and I am so super excited to use it. And I'm so thankful to you, Anna, for sending this to me. It was such a sweet, thoughtful thing somebody did for me. I get all like, oh, I don't know, I'm just that type of person. I love doing for other people, and usually when people want to do stuff for me, I'm like, no, it's not a big deal, don't worry about it. So I thank you. I really do. I really appreciate you. I cannot wait to play with this. And then my daughter, look, see, I didn't even buy all this stuff. And then my daughter was like, hey, we're running a sale. I get an extra percentage off because she works at Ulta. She got me the new Man-Eater palette, and I was like, oh, look how pretty that is. Like, I have not purchased a lot of Tarte stuff recently or as of late, but I'm like, oh, I cannot wait to dig into these blues. Like, these shimmers and this metallic, like, this gold over here. I cannot wait to dig into that either. So this is a new palette that I'll need to get into. This is their holiday palette for this year. So I'm super excited. It just says unleash your inner man-eater. I don't know, some of these holiday releases coming out are really strange. So there's that. And then I actually ordered a couple online because I didn't have them in store. But my daughter also stopped and grabbed the Morphe Tease the Season. I hadn't even really seen much about this. I just don't know where I've been, or if it just hasn't been a lot on it, or if I've just been like ignoring the emails. I don't know. But this is Morphe's holiday palette. It's not anything crazy. It's not anything over the top. It's very neutral. It's very it's very neutral, and it's very like meh when you look at it, but I'm really hoping I changed my mind when I use it. But I was like, you know what, it's on sale. Well, she got it on sale. She got a coupon. I don't really understand this color. I feel like this color is popping up in every palette that has come out lately. It's in this palette. It's in the Anastasia palette. It's in the Urban Decay palette. I don't know. I know grape jelly is not that color, but that's what keeps coming to mind when I look at it. I'm like, what is with this grape jelly color? But it's not grape jelly because, you know, grape jelly is darker than that. But it made me laugh when I called it that. So I do have this palette. Again, this is their holiday palette that came out. And then I'm annoyed because I only could get 3 out of the few palettes. So I got the 3 hard candy palettes out of the Wednesday Addams collection. It says it's exclusive to Walmart, so you can't even order it on Hard Candy's website right now. Maybe that'll change in the future. Again, I couldn't even get all the palettes. So while I was looking for all of the palettes, I actually grabbed these 2 FM Wet n Wild glitter palettes. I cannot wait to use this one. Super cute. Just a little side note, there may or may not be some of this on my eye right now because of how I'm filming this video. And then just a little side note, I feel like I want to venture into some other things. So I actually purchased some rhinestones of all colors and some pearls. So some pearls in the cream and then the white, and then some different colored rhinestones from Amazon. And it was actually a nice kit. It was only like $6.99 or $9.99 or something. And I got all the tools. I don't know why my lights are being so funky. I got all the tools and I actually got some glue. So there's that. Those are the recent purchases I have. I did put in an order to P. Louise. I've never used them. I did order their Halloween palettes, but I don't think they're going to get shipped out until this week. And again, they're from the UK, so I don't have them right now for this video. And then I ordered something. Oh, I ordered the NYX holiday palette from Ulta, so that'll be coming soon too because I didn't have that in store. So yes, there will be hopefully some more videos coming as I get more into the flow, but I thought I'd just share with you some of the recent purchases I've made. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go because my camera is now dying. So I hope you enjoy this. Maybe you want to pick up some of these, or maybe you'll just be tuning in to see what I do with them. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.